Students, in this class I will be doing class 10 matriculation syllabus or Samachir Kalvi syllabus for class 10. First chapter I am doing relations and functions. Already I have completed one exercise. So second exercise, this is the last sum I am going to explain now. So the question is very big but the answer is very simple only. Okay. So a company has 4 categories of employees given by assistants, clerk, managers and an executive officer. So when you take a company, these 4 category of workers are there. First one is assistants, second one is clerks, then managers and then executive officers. So it is denoted by assistants, they are denoting it by A, clerks one is C, managers M and executive officer is E. Like this in alphabets they are denoted. Okay. The company provide 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories A, C, M, E respectively. Okay, so for these 4 categories, salaries also different salaries are given. That is 10,000 is for A is assistant. 25,000 is for C, clerks. 50,000 is for managers, M. And 1 lakh is for executive officer, E. This is the salary they have categorized. These 4 categories, 4 different salaries they are providing. Okay. So if A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants. So in that company 5 assistants are there. Since for assistant A is the alphabet denoted, 5 assistants are there. So they are denoting it by A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5. So this is for assistants. Then for clerks, 4 clerks are there. So C1, C2, C3 and C4 were clerks and 3 managers are there. M1, M2, M3 were managers and 2 executive officers were there. So E1 and E2 were executive officer. And if the relation are, so how they are relating this salary and the category is X relates to Y, where X is the salary given to the person Y. So how to relate it? X is the salary and Y is the person. Okay. Through ordered pair and an arrow diagram. So in these 2 things we are asked to represent the given information. That's all. Answer is very simple only. Okay. So first one is in ordered pairs we are asked to represent. So the relation is represented as, okay. So first X is the salary and Y is the person for that. So first we will start with assistants. For assistants, how many assistants are there? 5 assistants are there and for that 5 assistants each 10,000 it is paid. So we will start with 10,000, okay, and A1. So X is related, X is the salary and A is the assistant, that is the person. So then next one is 10,000 A2, then 10,000 comma A2. The next one is 10,000 comma A3. Okay. Then next one is 10,000 comma A4. Okay. The next one is 10,000 comma A5. So 5 assistants are there. So we have to represent the relation as first X as salary and Y as the person. So 5 assistants are there. So we have categorized. Next 25,000 is the salary and 25,000 is clerks. So 4 clerks are there. So 25,000 to C1, first clerk. Then next 25,000 for C2. Then next 25,000 for C3. Then next 25,000. Next 25,000 for C4. So like this 4 clerks are there. Then next one is managers. For managers salary is 50,000. How many managers are there? 3 managers are there. So 50,000 M1, comma M1. So salary and the person. So next 50,000 to M2. 3 managers are there. Then next 50,000 to M3. 3 managers are there. Over. Then next one is executive officer. 2 executive officers are there. For them salary is each 1 lakh. So next one is 1 lakh. 2 executive officer is denoted by E. So E1. The next 1 lakh is for E2. So we have represented everything in the form of ordered pair. So that is over. The same thing you have to represent it in arrow diagram. In arrow diagram, the same relation you have to represent. So first one is salary and the next one is number of person. Okay. So salary is, so first one is salary. So first salary is 10,000. So first one is 10,000. Next one is 25,000. 25,000. Next one is 50,000. Then next one is 1 lakh. 1, 2, 3. 1 lakh. Then same way it has to be represented. 5 assistants are there. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. 5 assistants are there. Then after assistants, clerks. So how many clerks are there? 4 clerks are there. So C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. Sorry, only 4 clerks are there. So 4 clerks. Then next one is managers. 3 managers are there. Okay. So M1, M2, M3. 3 managers. 3 managers are there. M1, M2, M3. Then next one is executive officers. 2 executive officers are there. So that is E1 and E2. So these are the number of persons. For them the salary has to be, this has to be, one has to be connected to the other using arrow diagram. That's all. So for 10,000, that is for all these assistants. 10,000 is the salary for the assistants. So 5 are there. For all the 5 it has to be connected. A1 to A5 assistants. So A1 to A5. A1 to A5. 5 assistants. That is for assistants 10,000. Next one is clerks. Clerk is 4 clerks are there. For their salary is 25,000. So C1, C2, C3, C4. So this is for clerks. And then 3 managers are there. For them salary is 50,000. Salary is 50,000. Next one is executive officers. 2 are there. For them salary is 1 lakh. So whatever is given in the question, we have represented in ordered pairs and in the arrow diagram. So these are the 2 things they asked us to represent, that we have represented. So with this I am completing the first exercise, that is the second exercise. This exercise I am completing, that is exercise 1.2. So whatever doubts you have, you message me in the comment box. Thank you.